Hey there, garden lovers. Welcome back to another episode of Mastering Your Garden. Today I'm diving into one of the most crucial steps for a thriving spring garden soil testing and improvement. Let's get those hands dirty. First things first, why bother testing your soil? Well, healthy soil is the foundation of a bountiful garden. It tells you what nutrients your plants will crave and what amendments you might need to add. So grab your gloves and let's get started. Step 1. Collecting soil samples. You'll need a clean spade and a few small containers. Scoop soil from about 5 different spots in your garden. Make sure you dig down about 6 inches to get a good sample. Mix these samples together in a bucket. This gives you an average of your soil's overall health. Next, it's time to test. You have 2 main options here: DIY soil test kits or professional lab tests. DIY kits are great for a quick check and are available at most garden centers. They'll give you a basic rundown of pH levels and nutrient content. But if you want detailed results, sending your soil to a lab is the way to go. Labs can provide a detailed analysis and specific recommendations tailored to your garden. Now, interpreting the results. If your pH levels are off, your plants might have trouble absorbing nutrients, even if they're present in the soil. Most garden plants prefer a pH between 6 and 7. If your soil is too acidic or too alkaline, you can adjust it by adding lime to raise pH or sulfur to lower it. For nutrients, look at the big 3: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. If any of these are low, you'll need to supplement. Organic compost is a fantastic all-around amendment. It enriches the soil with essential nutrients and improves texture. You can also use specific fertilizers to target deficiencies. For instance, blood meal for nitrogen, bone meal for phosphorus, and wood ash for potassium. But hey, don't forget about soil structure. A good balance of sand, silt, and clay ensures proper drainage and root growth. Adding organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure can significantly improve soil structure over time. And there you have it, folks. Testing and improving your soil might seem like extra work, but trust me, it's the secret to a lush, productive garden. So give your soil some love this spring and watch your garden thrive. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gardening tips. See you next time.